wished you could predict the future of the stock market? Wouldn't it be amazing to see the future of these companies before everyone else? Imagine consistently picking winning companies before the rest of the pack catches on. That's the magic touch Bill Ackman, a financial legend, seems to possess. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. Today, we are going to talk about Bill Ackman's top 3 stocks that you should invest in 2024. First things first, let's take a look at Bill Ackman's investment strategy. Ever heard the phrase, less is more? You and I both know that the stock market can feel like a swirling vortex of endless options. But Bill Ackman, that man can cut through the noise. This financial mastermind doesn't believe in spreading himself thin. He operates like a chess master who is carefully selecting a few quality pieces and strategizing moves in advance. Bill Ackman's investment strategy focuses on 2 key principles: focus and control. He carefully selects businesses with exceptional potential, leaving him with a lean and mean portfolio. However, he doesn't only make investments and stand by. To uncover hidden values, he actively participates and collaborates with management teams. Imagine him as a business's secret tool, transforming them from underdogs to front runners in their sector. And unlike those other traders who are almost 24/7 on their screens, Bill Ackman doesn't buy and sell stocks on a whim. Instead, he fosters long-term relationships with his chosen companies, letting them mature like a meticulously cared-for vineyard. Just like fine wine takes time to develop its complex flavors, strong companies need time to cultivate true value. Bill Ackman's philosophy is so simple, yet so powerful. Invest in high-quality companies, become invested in their success, and hold on for the long term. It is not about chasing short-term gains, but building a portfolio that delivers consistent and steady growth. Less can be truly more indeed. So now that we know how he plays the game, let's cut to the chase. And here's the first stock you invest in this 2024. Now let's talk about Google's parent company, Alphabet. This tech giant isn't just a household name, it's a powerhouse investor magnet, and for good reason. They dominate the online ad market, with powerhouses like Google Search and YouTube driving massive revenue. Financial strength is another highlight. 2023 saw a whopping $86.3 billion in revenue, a 13% year-over-year jump. Earnings per share also grew significantly, from $1.05 to $1.64. Plus, Alphabet isn't shy about rewarding shareholders with a hefty $61.5 billion in stock repurchases. But Alphabet's appeal goes beyond immediate success. They have a strong financial foundation for future growth in key areas like search, cloud, and AI. This stability makes them a long-term investment, not just a fleeting fling. So why invest in Alphabet? Well, despite a 13% stock price increase this year, Google hasn't skyrocketed. With a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 26, it feels like a valuable investment opportunity. Analysts' price forecasts suggest a potential 7% upside, adding to the attractiveness. Next up, Chipotle Mexican Grill. Yep, you heard it right, Chipotle Mexican Grill. Even I was shocked. Those burritos and controversies actually made it to Bill Ackman's top list. Bill Ackman, known for his bold investment choices, sees something beyond the headlines in CMG. And it's not just perfectly seasoned guacamole. Fast casual dining is no fad. It is a full-on flavor explosion, sweeping the restaurant industry like a well-seasoned storm. CMG is leading the charge, offering crave-worthy burritos and other delicious items, they swear, that hit the sweet spot between convenience and affordability. Think of it as the perfect guac to your investment portfolio. A little something extra to add richness. To keep investors hungry for more, CMG has been strategically reducing shares, even with Bill Ackman's hedge fund selling off portions of its holdings. Smart investors like Bill Ackman know timing is everything. Reducing shares can be like taking out an ingredient to create the perfect balance of flavors. Just like Chipotle adjusts its recipes for different palates, Bill Ackman tailors his holdings to the ever-changing market dynamics. And here's the real kicker. The fast casual dining industry is only getting hotter. Consumers crave healthy, customizable, and quick eats, which puts Chipotle in a prime position to keep investors chomping at the bit for years to come. Experts predict that CMG, a pioneer in this space, will continue to be a major player, satisfying the financial appetites of investors everywhere. So, the next time you indulge in a Chipotle feast, remember, it's not just a meal, it's a potential investment opportunity thanks to Bill Ackman's keen eye for promising companies. Eating Chipotle will hit differently now, don't you think? And lastly, Restaurant Brands International. The name behind Burger King, Popeyes, and Tim Hortons isn't your average greasy spoon. This fast food giant is a cornerstone of Bill Ackman's investment portfolio. Unlike traditional fast food giants, this leverages a clever asset-light model. Imagine owning the secret sauce for the ultimate burger, but letting others handle the grilling. QSR focuses on brand power. Think Burger King, Popeyes, Tim Hortons, while franchisees manage the restaurants. It's brand recognition without the real estate headache, a win-win for investors. This multi-brand strategy lets QSR expand rapidly with minimal investment. Picture dating multiple people at once, but for business, it is efficient and fuels significant growth. However, juggling different brands requires a delicate touch, like a master chef keeping all the dishes cooking perfectly. Of course, some challenges are present. Global inflation, shifting consumer habits, and rising royalty fees are all on QSR's plate. However, their strong brand loyalty and dominant market position make them well-equipped to handle these hurdles. For investors comfortable with the fast food industry, QSR offers a potentially tasty investment. While a few menu items might be a bit bland, looking at you, mystery chicken, QSR's overall appeal is undeniable. After all, if Bill Ackman likes it, it's worth a closer look. Investor Bill Ackman is not like other investors. He is a strategic shark who circles markets that are ready for expansion and dives in with businesses that are the epitome of concentration, discipline, and long-term viability. Take a look at his portfolio. Companies with a clear path to success in the future include digital giants like Alphabet and leaders in the hospitality sector like Hilton Worldwide. Bill Ackman may sometimes adjust his holdings, but his fundamental conviction in these giants doesn't change. Tempted to follow Ackman's lead? We get it. These companies offer a tantalizing mix of stability and growth potential. But remember, even the best investors preach diversification. Do your own research before diving in. But with Ackman's picks as your launching pad, you're well on your way to building a portfolio that could rival his. So what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button to get notified of our latest videos.